Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Energia, and this is in the color Cayenne with ginger root. This is pretty much Power by Raquel Welch, which is funny because I ordered this in a very Raquel Welch type color, this really nice dark red. You often see her in red colors when she's showing off her own wigs. And so yeah, I was kind of struck by surprise, dumbstruck you might say, by going, oh, wait a minute, because it's so much like Power. And then you look at the name of the wig, Energia. I get it now. So before I do anything, let me go ahead and fluff her up just a little bit because she's got some box head going on. And I'll do a 360 so you can see what Energia, this cute little pixie, looks like on all sides. So this wig is an average wig. It fits a little bit snug on me. Has lots of potential for body, or you can kind of wear it slicked down, but I mean, she does have this really luscious part. So I mean, if you slick her down, you'll get the benefits of showcasing that beautiful monofilament there. You'll see when I take this off that it has a beautiful monofilament side part, very good part, and it's seamless up against that lace front, which is why I was able to get that really dramatic sort of straight part there. There's no seam to obscure, it makes it really easy. While it's off, I'll just go ahead and talk about the rest of the wig. I got a little ahead of myself there. But let's make the most of it, shall we? You can see that there's permatease on the side of the wig opposite of the part, so that's going to be on the right side. There's also soft felt that lines the perimeter of the top of the wig as well as the lace features. We also have the same soft felt here on the ear tabs. There's also a little bit of metal there, so make sure it's pushed up against the sides of your head before you wear her out. You can also see there's an extended felt nape that adjusts a bit like a bra strap here in the back. Ample hair here on this Energia wig. Look at how close together all those wefts are. That's really great. And if I shake her like this, you can see all this layering of the, I mean, this is a very, very traditional, beautiful pixie cut. Beautiful little bang on this. Look at how it's got this slight curl. Makes it very easy to wear. Now this is a heat-friendly synthetic style, so you can style her and add a curl if you want, though that might be kind of difficult because she's so short. You definitely can get a lot of body out of here, and one big plus for this wig that Power by Raquel Welch that I was mentioning earlier does not have is it does have these monofilament features. Power by Raquel Welch is an open capped wig, so she doesn't have the ability to get such a beautiful straight part. But look at that. If you really work at it, you can get her to part like that. I love wigs that give you a little bit of style and versatility, especially when they're short like this. This wig, even though it's heat-friendly synthetic, a wig this short will last you a very long time because there's no friction up against the back of your collar. You know, it's not getting stuck in your bra strap or in your purse or anything like that. And so that leads to a lot less friction, a lot less static, and a lot less tangling. This is effortless, 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 which is something I always appreciate in a wig, which is why I said it 3 times. Anyway, I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. You're probably saying it with me by now if you've been watching these videos for a while. So thank you for hanging out with me. Hopefully you'll come check out my store sometime. Until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.